some of them, as you can see. I already broke some of them, as you can see. Yeah, just like that. Because I can't get anything out with these rocks. This message is for you. From Josie.
Yes, kugihan jud. Inahanglan jud magkugi. Kay kami ramang duha mag tinabangay. So para maka kuan mi sa amo ang balay sa tanan namo nga